Okay, all of you can see the copy. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we'll be doing the magnitude comparator. Okay. Okay, so magnitude comparator. So you all have already know what is magnitude comparator. Should I have to say the once again? You know now magnitude comparator. I already took the class of magnitude comparator, and we have designed the magnitude comparator, the diagram. Okay, so we are having the three things, that is A is greater than B, second one is A equal to B, and third one is A less than B. Is it visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so we know that magnitude comparator will have the three versions, means three cases. One is A greater than B, A equal to B, A less than B. Okay, so for this, what we will be doing, as we are mentioning it as a 4-bit magnitude comparator. Okay, this is a 4-bit magnitude comparator. So in this, how many gates we are using? We are using AND gate, we are using OR gate, we are using NOT gate. Okay, the biggest diagram which we have done in the class, that is AND gate, OR gate, then this NOT gate. Okay, and XOR gate is also there, or you can say not XOR gate, that is NOR. Okay, so NOR and or not. Okay, so that big diagram is impossible to draw or to make the connection that much big. So what we are doing here, we will be using the IC of magnitude comparator. Okay, direct IC of magnitude comparator, that is 7485. the IC number is 7485, and this IC is used for magnitude comparator. Okay, direct. In this only everything has been inbuilt. Okay, so for the magnitude comparator, we won't be using the whole diagram of and or using this type of gates. We will directly use the 7485, that is that this IC is for magnitude comparator. Like the 7486 is for XOR gate. Similarly, 7485 is for IC. IC 7485 is for magnitude comparator. So now we will draw the diagram for 7485. Okay, so definitely it will have 14 pins. Okay, so this is the notch part. This is 14th number. This is your 7 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is becoming big, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 14 pins, all of you can see. Okay, so here we are having in this IC a bit confusion is there, because here we will be using 16 pin, not 14 pin. Okay, so 5, 6, this is your 7, and sorry dear students, this is your 8. Okay, and this is your 9, then 10, then 11, then 12, then 13, 14, then 15, and this one is your 16. Okay, so here 8 and here 8. Okay, so this IC 7485 is having how many pins? 16 pins. Okay, that means it is having 16 legs. Okay, but everything is same. That last pin, this one is for ground. Okay, and this 16th one is for your potential. Okay, everything is same like the previous ICs what we are using. In that, 7th number pin was ground and 14th number pin was potential. We are using for potential, and here we will be using 8th number pin for ground and 16th number pin for potential, nothing else. Okay, now, so how you will connect and which is for means which type. Okay, so here these till 4. Okay, this is used again for like that only. That is your A is less than B, A is equals to B, A is greater than B. Okay, and this 5th number we won't be using this much. Okay, we will be taking this part, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5th number, this 5 number pin is used for A is greater than B. Then 6th number is A equals to B, and 7th number is A less than B. Okay, so 5, 6 and 7 become what? Can anybody say? This 5, 6 and 7. 5 number pin is showing that A is greater than B, 6 number A equals to B, 7 number A is less than B. And all this will be connected to LED. This all will be connected to LED. Very good, very good. These are the outputs. Very good. These will treat as an output, because we have to see this only, no, that the work of a comparator is this, na, that whether our 4 bit is 2 numbers or 4 bit is greater or less or anything else. Hang on a minute, dear students.
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
Where to put the inputs. Okay, so we will be putting the inputs in these pins. So as it is a 4 bit, suppose I am taking two numbers A and B. Okay, so A will have what? A3, A2, A1, A0. And what B will have? B3, B2, B1 and B0. So we'll keep on writing here. So how you will write here, tell me. So how you are going to write here? So listen carefully. This 9 number is B0, 10 number is A0, 11 number is B1, 12 number is A1, 13 number is A2, 14 number is B2, 15 number is A3, and 1 number is B3. Okay, again I am repeating. This 9 number is B0, 10 number is A0, 11 is B1, 12 is A1, 13 is A2, 14 is your B2, 15 is A3, and 1 number is B3. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? These numbers, we have already mentioned it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the thing is that how we will connect. So already you know we are connecting how we, these are the outputs. So we have connected already, we have connected here for you all people. Okay, so this side is the input side and this is your output side. So you can see output 3, it can 3 is there, that means A is greater than B, A equals to B, A is less than B. Okay, 3 outputs are there, and definitely we are having 4 bits, so 8 bits will be there. 4 bit for A and 4 bit for B. So already we have given here these values. So suppose this is A0, A1, A2, A3. This is B0, B1, B2, B3. Okay, here you can arrange it in your pattern. Okay, you can arrange it like this also: A0, A1, A2, A3. We had B0, B1, B2, B3, but we have denoted like this only, that according to you. But the connection is like this. That connection, that means if you are taking B0, so B0 output, this input will be at 9 only. So wherever the 9 number pin is there, that side, this one is the 9 number pin. So this is your B0. Okay. Similarly, according to this number, you have to connect according to this number, because every pin has allocated its own bits. Okay, that is 9 is B0, 10 is A0, 11 is B1, 12 is A1, 13 is A2, 14 is B2, 15 is A3, and 1 is B3. So you can see this is your 1, this is your 1, and this has connected, see here, B3. That means definitely this is B3, B2, B1, and B0, and here it is A3, A2, A1, A0. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will give the, it is very easy one, because already the IC is there. Just you have to connect it this value, and you have to connect it this value. Same. Means whatever it is written here, it's the same thing you will connect, and you will connect it here. It is very easy one. Here no need to connect this. We are taking from pin number 1 to 10, then pin number 2 to 4. Like this, no issues here. Just the mention, they have mentioned the numbers where you have to put the BA all. According to that, you will put here and you will connect this one. Okay. Now it's time to see the output. Sanjeev ji. So any of you tell me the value for A. That means, wait, I'm writing here. That is A3, A2, A1, A0. Okay. And here it is B. That is B3, B2, B1, and B0. Today, Rahul Raj, sorry, Ayush Raj will tell me the value for A. Ayush Raj, are you there? Yes or no? Raj, Ayush, are you there? Okay. So who will tell me this value? Who is going to
Ma'am.
tell me? Who is this, ma'am?
Sorry, ma'am. Harsh Govind.
Nay, hers you won't say.
Okay.
Hers will not say. Anyone else?
Ma'am, me.
No. Divya will also not say. Abhijit will also not say. Nanika will also not
And
say.
me?
Any other one? Where is my another hers? Are you there? All are sleeping or what?
Me, ma'am. Jishan.
Okay, hers. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
No, not hers, Govind.
Okay.
Hers
Vardhan.
Vardhan. Where is hers Vardhan? Are you there? Acha, Jisan, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Tell me the value, any bit. A3, A2, A1, A0. All the value you tell.
1001. No, ma'am. 1001.
1, 0,
0, 0,
0,
1.
1. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have told 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay?
Yes.
Acha. Anand R. That is roll number 109. Who is 109 roll number? You are the first person to join the meeting. Where are you, Anand? All are sleeping, I think so. So, Piyush, can you tell me? See, Hers Vardhan. You are also, I am able to see you, but where are you? You are not giving any reply.
Ma'am, your screen isn't visible. Completely blurry. I can't make out anything.
So you check your this what we say the internet connection, but you tell me any 4-bit value. I'll write. Hers, tell me any 4-bit value. Okay. Next to Hers Govind, tell me the value. Hers, tell me the value.
Ma'am, 1101.
1101. Is it visible? The screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I understood. I very nicely I've understood what is happening. Okay, no issues. Whoever is listening, listen it. Okay, so we have given two numbers. One Jisan has given and another one Hers has given. So one number is 1001 and the second is 1100. So according to the numbers which we are able to see here in our screen, that is 1001. Might be it is 9. So this value is 9 and 1100 might be it is 12. Is it correct? This is 9 and this is 12
Yes,
decimal
ma'am.
number. Okay. So means theoretically we can know that 12 is greater than 9. That means your output will be B is greater than A. Okay. Your output should be B is greater than A. That means which LED will glow? From here you can tell which LED will glow.
First one.
Last one, ma'am.
Last one, because A
Ma'am,
is less
from
than
my
B.
side.
That means B is greater than A means A is less than B. That is 7-1. So see here, we are having the 7-1 pin. That is pin number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is your 7 number pin. This one. Okay, we will see the value now. Okay, this should glow. Okay, now see. Put करिए इधर से. A3 नहीं A0 है ना 1. Okay, A10, A20 and A31. Okay, see we have put the value that is A01, A01, A10, A20 and A31. Okay, now the second one put kariye B00, B00, B10, B21 and B31. See, we have put here that is B0, B1, B2, B3. That's so B3 and B2 is 1, 1 and B1 and B0 is 0, 0. So see where is the output. Can you see which one is glowing?
Yes,
Red
ma'am.
is glowing,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one. So that means this is A is less than B. That means B is greater than A. So your answer came B greater than A. Now, Abhijit, you tell me one number. So you tell this type of number that A should be greater and B should be lesser. So A, any number you tell Abhijit?
Ma'am, 13.
Good, Boka. Why you are saying 13? You tell me the 4-bit value.
4-bit, then 1101.
1101. Okay, 13. So Divya, can you tell me the B1?
Ma'am, 1001.
1001. Okay. B3, B2, B1 and B0. Okay, so this is according to Abhijit 13 and this is again 9. So now it will be A is greater than B. So A is greater than B, that means 5 number pin. So where is this connected? It is connected here, this one. Okay, so let us see the value. Is it coming or not? So Sanjay ji put kariye. A0, 1, A10, A21, A31. अरे ये क्या हुआ? रहा है. Okay, there was a network issue. Okay, now B0 is 1, शुरू से अच्छा ठीक है A0 is 1, A1 is 0, A2 is 1, A3 is also 1. Okay, now B0 is 1, B1 is 0, B2 is 0, and B3 is 0. Sorry, 1. Okay, so all the values we have given, that is 1 0 0 1 and there 1 1 0 1. Okay, so where it is glowing, can you see? Tell me where it is glowing.
First LED.
First one, that means A is greater than B. Now tell me one, any of you who will tell me weight. So A3, A2, A1, A0 and here B. Okay, so any value for A. Nanika, can you tell me, are you there, Nanika? Okay, so any of you tell me the value for A.
Man, 1 1 1.
1 1.
All 1, ma'am. 1.
All 1. So the same value I'll take for B also, 1 1 1 1. Okay, both the value will be same, so you will be getting A equals to B. So see here that 6 number pin is A equals to B. So 6 number pin is your this one which is being attached, this one, this is A equals to B. So let us put सबको 1 करिए. Okay, so see, can you see? हो गया, आया. So this light is glowing. गड़बड़ हो गया. ओके ठीक है, दूसरा वैल्यू दीजिए. इसको किया नहीं, नहीं चेक करना होगा. अभी लाइट गया था ना, ऑफ करिए. ले रहा है, ऑटोमेटिकली ले रहा है. अच्छा सबको 0 0 करिए. देखिए दोनों चल गया. नहीं इसमें कनेक्शन में गड़बड़ हो गया. नहीं, see now what is happening, dear students. So you can see with दिया वैल्यू दिया है. Okay, so see here both the lights are glowing. That means something has been sorted in your circuit. Okay, so now we have to troubleshoot where it is being shorted. So whenever this type of thing is coming, see it should be coming only one now. So here you can see both the lights are glowing. That is A is greater than B and A is less than B. Both the lights are glowing and this one is also glowing. This is means C. Okay, that is okay, that is 0. So that means if this type of thing is coming, that means there is some problem in your circuit. Suppose it can be sorted or somewhere it has been loosened. Okay, so we will see that one, that where is the problem in this. Okay, so wait, we will be seeing again that where is the problem. So एक बार ऑफ करके देख लीजिए. नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब आपको खोल के करना होगा फिर. ये सब वायर्स ऐसे ही रहने दीजिए, ठीक है. सुन रहे संजीव जी, और सिर्फ यहाँ से कनेक्शन हटा के दोबारा से डालिए बस. आईसी को भी चेक कर लीजिए. हाँ, आईसी को निकाल के दूसरा लगा दीजिए ना. Wait, we will change the IC at first because the connection are all tight only. So we will put another 7485 IC. Oh. See, your Sanjeev sir is finding the ICs over there in the table. So we will see this also, so how he is finding the ICs. Okay. 86 80 4 नया निकालिए 02 32 86 32 0804 नहीं यहाँ नहीं है मिला. So we got this Nanna wala IC 7485. So we'll be putting this one, Sanjeev ji. See, we will remove this IC. Okay. Now he'll be putting another one. He's finding the notch, and according to the notch, it will be in the left hand side. The notch. Okay. नया है. So let's hope that this time it will work. No, that means you have to open the connection because again both the lights are coming. Okay, so खोलिए connection फिर से करते हैं. We will do once again all the connection we will add. Okay. गड़बड़ाने का नहीं है, यही है ना. देखिए देखो. ठीक है 7485. See, he has put the IC. See how he have put the IC. This line carrying the upper part and this one carrying, because we have divided this one vertically then horizontally, so in between this one up and one down. Okay, so he is doing ground and potential. So after that हम बोलते जाएंगे पिन नंबर.
टेस्ट कर लेते हैं IC.
हाँ चेक कर लीजिए. He is testing the IC at first. So Sanjeev ji, how you are testing the IC? Tell us. कैसे कर रहे हैं? See, can you see? He is touching. Pin number 8 is ground. See. So 0 दिखा रहा है. Green मतलब 0 दिखा रहा है. It's okay. So pin number 8 is okay. What he has done? Wait. What he has done? He has taken the wire and he is touching in pin number 8, and all of you know that pin number 8 is your ground. So what value you will get at the output? 0. So when he is touching this wire and he is getting 0 value, that means 8 pin number is correct. Okay. Now pin number 16. Now pin number 16 he is touching. Okay. So you can see when he is touching pin number 16, you are getting a value that is high. That means we have already given the potential. That means it is also correct. 16 number pin is also correct. Okay. Now he has checked the IC. Now it's time to connect the wires. हाँ बता रहे हैं. ये कौन सा है? A0 को आप लगाइए पिन नंबर 10. A0 को पिन नंबर 10. ओके. फिर A1 को लगाइए पिन नंबर 12. A2 को लगाइए पिन नंबर 13.
पिन नंबर 1 को 9.
B0 को 9 में लगाइए.
ये 0 को.
A0 को 10.
ये 0 को 9 10 ठीक है.
10 में लगाएं.
हाँ.
अच्छा. A1 को लगाइए 12 में.
11 12
ठीक है. A2 को लगाइए 13 में. ठीक है. और A3 को लगाइए 15 में.
15.
हाँ. ओके, अब चलिए बी चलते हैं। बी 0 को लगाइए 9। ओके, बी 1 को लगाइए 11।
B1 को
11
10 11
ठीक है। बी 2 को लगाइए 14। ठीक है, उधर बगल में लगाइए, बगल में।
14 ना
हाँ, नहीं आप कुछ गड़बड़ किए हैं। तो ये भी 14 हो गया, ऊपर वाला भी। ऊपर नहीं, उसका पर नहीं, एक येलो है वो भी 14 हो गया। कहाँ से 14 हो रहा है वो? नहीं, ये वाला, दिस वन, ये 14 में लगा दिए हैं। ये 13 में होगा, बगल में घस का ये। हाँ, आप 14 में लगाए। कौन सा था? नहीं नहीं, कौन सा था? हाँ, ठीक, 14 नहीं,
ठीक है 14 14 16 नहीं
14 15।
हाँ 16 ठीक है।
हाँ, और इधर लगाइए ए 1 में। ठीक है,
ये 5 में
वो क्या है?
इनपुट,
इनपुट
सॉरी
लगाइए,
आउटपुट।
आउटपुट लगाइए 5 में।
एक मिनट इधर से लगाते हैं, ये हो जाएगा
7 7 वो होगा 7। A is less than B 7।
1 2
अरे ये 8 है तो उसके बगल वाला 7 होगा।
नहीं ये इधर से, अच्छा ठीक।
उसको लगाइए ना पहले। हाँ, उसको लगाइए इसके बगल में 7। ठीक है, आप उसको लगाइए 6 बगल में। हाँ, उसको लगाइए 5। ओके, अभी ठीक है। आ गया आ गया। अरे नहीं नहीं, कुछ हो रहा है। A इक्वल्स टू बी में ही गड़बड़ हो रहा है। अच्छा 0 0 करिए तो सब।
ये इक्वल टू बी, इक्वल टू बीच में
ये कौन से नंबर पे लगाए हैं? ये 5 में नहीं, कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है।
अच्छा तब उसको एक्सप्लेन करिए, हम 2 मिनट में एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं।
अच्छा ठीक है। Okay, dear students, there is some mistake. I don't know what is happening in the whiteboard because in the previous all the values are coming, but now when we are doing for A equal to 0, it is both the lights are blinking. Okay, so something has been something is creating the problem, either this knob or from here, because the circuit we have done just now. ये तो आ गया, ठीक है। नहीं नहीं, ये तो ठीक आंसर आया था
अभी।
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, वैल्यू दीजिए, ये ठीक आंसर आया। A is greater than B आ गया, बोल रहे ना है। See now, see all the values, Abhijit, all the values are 1. Okay, according to Abhijit values, so A is equals to B. Here, see this light is blinking, this red, that means it is 1. Okay, so that is A equals to B. So when you will do in the lab, no, this type of silly things will happen, so you have to troubleshoot those things. Okay, so here in this something was happening. Okay, the connection was correct. Okay, so we have done this magnitude comparator. Now we will go for DMUX. Okay, so MUX we have already seen, no, so we will be going for the DMUX. So in DMUX, it is mentioned in your syllabus, it is 1:4 DMUX, but it will become very haphazard in this. So I will show you 1:2 DMUX. Already today we have studied 1:2 DMUX. Okay, all of you have studied today. I have taught you 1:2 DMUX. So we will have two output, that is Y0 and Y1. And what will be the value for Y0? That will be enable data input S0 bar. And what is this S0 bar? This is your select line. Okay. And Y1 will be E D in S0. Okay. These two equations are there. These are the outputs, and E is your enable. Okay. And D in is your data input. Okay. And S0 is your select. Okay. So 1:2, that means one input, that is the input, and according to that we will get two output, that is Y0 and Y1. So we will do this one. So for this you have already seen that circuit diagram today I have drawn for you all people. This is your enable, this is your D in, this is your S0, and this is your S0 bar. So AND gate. So here what you will do, so definitely what we are doing, we have studied today in the class, that is we will be taking this E and this is your D and this is your S0. So this will be your Y0 and here it will be Y1. So what we are doing, all the values are high. Enable D and this one. Okay, so these two things are happening, but you know in our IC we cannot take the three input together. Okay, so we will break this one. So how we will break? So according to the diagram, oh sorry, according to the pin number we will be doing. So two pins, two ICs we will be taking, one for NOT and one for AND. Okay, so now what we are going to do, this is your enable. Okay, enable signal, and this is your D in. Okay, this is your S0 and this is your S0 bar. Yes, Jayavardhan, what you want to ask? Jayavardhan, you are raising your hand. What you want to ask? Tell me. So dear students, as we are taking the NOT gate, so this will be your pin number 1 and output will be at pin number 2. So I'll be writing for you this pin number 1 for NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate, pin number 1 is S0 and pin number 2 is S0 bar. Okay, now we will be taking this AND gate and we will be taking, this is your enable signal and this is your D input. Okay, so for this AND gate, this is 1, this is 2, and here we are taking the 3. Okay, now this 3 will become the input and this in this S0 bar will become the input for another AND gate and this will become Y0. So what we are doing here, this 3 number pin is connected with 4 number pin and this NOT output. So I'll make it dash over here so that you can understand. Okay, so dash will denote the NOT gate and 1, 2, 3, 4 that will denote for the AND gate. So here we can see that 1 and 2 is enable and data input and it is coming out at pin number 3 and this pin number 3 will be connected with pin number 4 of this AND gate. Okay, and this number 2 dash for NOT gate output will be connected with 5 and you will be getting output at 6. Okay, similarly here also we will be doing what we are going to do, the same thing. This is your enable, that means 1. This is your data input, that is 2, and you are getting this output, this is 1 and 2, that means it will be connected with 4, 5, 6 has finished. It is 1 will be connected with 9 and 2 will be connected with 10 and you will be getting output at 8. Okay, and this output 8 will again become the input for 8, then 9, and here it is 1 dash, this is 10, and here we are getting 11. Is it correct? We are getting output at 11 or we are getting output at 9? Is it correct? We are getting output at 9 or 11? Who will tell me? Is it correct?
And it is not visible.
Is not visible, ma'am.
Now,
Now it is visible.
is it correct? Correct. In our IC 11, in 11 number pin, we are getting output, or pin number 9, we are getting output?
11, ma'am.
11?
9, ma'am.
Ma'am, which output?
You tell me. See, 1, 2, and 3 output, 4, 5, and 6 output. Okay, 7 is your ground. Then 8 is your output. 9, 10 is your input. So now what will be the output here? 9 or 11? So I just want to ask that the final output Y1 will be your 11 number pin or 9 number pin? Who will tell me? I'll give after, when the college will open, I'll give that person a dairy milk. Dairy milk silk.
And 11.
11. Who is saying 11?
Ma'am.
Who is saying 11? Who is saying 11 and who is saying
Ma'am,
9?
Harsh.
Hers is saying 11. Okay. So anyone else?
1 minute, ma'am.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you all people, because this is a this is about the dairy milk silk, no? So you think properly and tell me.
Ma'am, at 11 number only.
At 11 number. Okay. Who is saying? Is it correct? 11 number, 9 will not be there. Okay, Hers, you will be getting one dairy milk. Okay, Hers, you will be getting one dairy milk silk. Okay, when you'll come and you'll meet me, no? Either you will be in 7th semester or 6th semester. Okay, that time I'll give you dairy milk silk. One more person is also there to whom I'll give dairy milk silk. That person is beside me only. So she will also get a dairy milk. Okay, no issues. 2 dairy milk I'll be giving. So this is correct, dear students. Okay. So now we will connect this one. Okay. So संजीव जी उसको छोड़ दीजिए, इधर आके वो डीमक्स वाला दिखाइए, वो हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं, कहीं शॉर्ट कर रहा है. So we will go to the next part, that is your DMux part. So we have already been connected this one. Okay, we will see the output and then we will again, if you want, I'll connect it and I'll tell you. Okay. So according to this diagram, we have connected this one. Now tell me that value, that is when we will give, suppose y0 is your equation is E D in S0 bar. So 1 1 0. So when we will give 1 1 0, so y0 should be what? Y0 should glow. The LED for Y0 is glowing. So Y0 6 number कौन सा है बताइए? AND गेट का 6 नंबर कहाँ कनेक्टेड है?
एंड गेट
ये है AND गेट.
6
ये. So this is your this पीला वाला, this is yellow वाला is Y0 and white वाला is Y1. आप वैल्यू दीजिए. क्या अच्छा इस साइड में देखिए 1 1 2 और 3 मतलब कौन कौन से इनपुट आप लिए हैं इधर? ये S0 है ना? S0 है. नहीं, यहाँ से बताइए. यहाँ पर है enable. यहाँ पर 1 2.
ये है 1.
ओके.
1, 2.
and 3. Acha, theek hai. So this is your enable, this is your data, and this is your S0. Okay, or S0 bar, anything. Okay. So now we will miss S0. So according to that we will give. So now 1, 1, and 1. Okay. So all the values are 1. So what will be the output, Y0 or Y1? If we are taking E, D, and S0. So 1, 1, 1. So what will be the output?
Y1.
It is correct. So see, this is your Y1, this one. It is connected from here. See, Y1 is at 11 number pin. So this white wire is at 11 number pin, this one. Okay. So it has been connected from here. So this red light is glowing, this one. Okay. That means you are getting what value? You are getting for Y1 output, and that time all the values will be high. That is enable, and then D input, and then S0. All are high. अब इसको low कर दीजिए. वो last वाले. So see, now which side that light has glowed? This one, this yellow wala. So yellow wala is your Y0 part because it has connected with this one 6 number pin. So we can see Y0 has connected with 6 number pin. So you are here, the light is glowing for Y0. So that means here what we are seeing, that is enable is 1, data input is 1, and S0 is 0. That means it is S0 bar. So definitely we will getting Y0 and here Y1. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want, then we will open it all the this what we say, this chunk of wires, and we will make for you if you want. Or if you have understood, then no need to open. Okay.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. Only hers is understanding, and
Yes,
1, 2
ma'am.
more person is understanding. Rest are sleeping. Okay. So today this much. Yes. Yes. Tell me who is saying. So today this much only, dear students. See one thing, see it is written here. See, red light is high, green light is low, yellow light is pulse, and off is how much? A. This is your OFF. This is what you know. This is your, can you tell me this, what is this? This OFF, this HI and Z is written. This is the high impedance. And who is denoting the high impedance? Remember there, students, this X will denote the high impedance. That means don't care. Understood? So this will implement your don't care condition. Okay? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
much.
Yes, ma'am.
This much only, dear students, today. So all of you please send the files, and Sanjeev ji, वो वाला दिखाइए तो क्या है practical और last में. Okay, so we will switch off the circuit.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can we send it by vacation, ma'am?
after vacation or before
No, ma'am.
vacation?
On.
Within vacation.
Yes, ma'am.
No, dear, within vacation I won't be able to see. Okay, because everybody will enjoy, no, not me, all of you. So